In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DuckDuckGo AI search feature. DuckDuckGo includes AI-powered search tools that can help you get quick summaries, answers, and additional information directly within your search results. If you'd like to take advantage of these features while still benefiting from DuckDuckGo's privacy-focused browsing experience, the setup is simple. In this video, I'll walk you through how to access and use DuckDuckGo's AI search capabilities. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer and navigate to the search page. Once you're on the search screen, enter a search query just as you normally would and press Enter to view the results. As the results page loads, you may notice AI-generated responses appearing alongside or above traditional search results. These AI-powered answers are designed to provide a quick overview of the topic you're searching for, helping you find information faster without having to visit multiple websites immediately. If AI search features are available in your version of DuckDuckGo, look for options related to AI assistance, AI-generated answers, or Duck.ai. These tools are integrated directly into the search experience and can provide summaries, explanations, and responses based on your search terms. When an AI-generated answer appears, take a moment to review the information provided. The AI summary can be useful for gaining a quick understanding of a topic before exploring the individual search results in more detail. For best results, use clear and specific search queries, as this often helps generate more accurate and relevant responses. If you would like to interact further with AI-powered tools, look for any available AI chat or follow-up options that may appear within the search interface. These features allow you to ask additional questions and continue exploring a topic without starting a completely new search. Keep in mind that AI-generated information is intended to assist your research and browsing. It's always a good idea to review the supporting search results and referenced sources, especially when you're looking for important, detailed, or time-sensitive information. One of the advantages of DuckDuckGo's AI search tools is that they are designed to work alongside the browser's privacy-focused features. This means you can explore AI-assisted search while continuing to benefit from tracker blocking and other privacy protections offered by the browser. And that's how to use the DuckDuckGo AI search feature. Once you know where to find the AI-generated answers and how to interact with them, you can quickly access helpful summaries and additional insights directly from your searches. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.